Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Info Plus indicator for MT4. The first step is to download the indicator from the description below. You're going to find the link. After downloading it, just decompress the folder, alright, and then pick out the indicator file from the decompressed folder and head over to your indicators folder. Like, look for the indicators folder under MQL4. Okay, after you have pasted the file in there, head back to your navigator, right click and refresh. After doing that, you should find the Info Plus indicator. Just drag and drop. Okay, but since the indicator is refusing to display, we're just going to head on to the MQL5 marketplace. All right, so this particular indicator, you can see the Info Plus is available for free to download from the MQL4 marketplace. All right, so as we can see, it displays the current status on an asset class. The information displayed includes the bid price, high and low of the day, candle time left, current spread, selected time frame, asset class selected, the pip value, open positions, total pips booked, pips per trade, session times, date and time, and all of that, right? If you want more information, you can just head over to the MQL5 marketplace and read about the Info Plus indicator. Okay, so now we're just going to click on download, and then yes, I have the MetaTrader 4. So it's going to direct us back to the MetaTrader 4 platform. And then, yeah, so the indicator has been added to the navigator, right? You can see it here. So I'm just going to drag and drop, okay? So you can see, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then as for the input settings, you can see, right? Just like was mentioned here, you can see different parameters that are available, right? So now this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, you can see important information: current price, high price, low price, time spread, the time frame. You can see we are currently on the H4, so the H4 is showing here. If we move to H1, it changes to H1, right? And all of that. And you can see the pip value, open positions, total pips, and then you can see other information here, right? So as the name implies, this is an informative indicator. The name of the indicator is Info Plus, right? So the indicator basically gives you information. It does not give you signal, not buy signal, not sell signal, okay? But it gives you some valuable information that you can use to, inspire your trading decisions, okay? So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And don't forget to click the notification, turn on your notification so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.